Cousins, if you want me to show you how to make this delicious chicken on a stick in your RV and you don't have to worry about your RV being hot, then this is the video for you. So make sure you stay tuned and watch the whole video. Cousin, these are all the ingredients I use. Of course, you could take some away or add some to, however you choose to do it. As you can see, this pack of chicken won but $5.85. I'm pretty sure y'all got all these other ingredients in your house already. But if you didn't, y'all already know the bell pepper was like 50 cents, the onion. But anyway, cousins, you cut it up to little blocks so you can add it to your stick. And as you can see right here, these are the potatoes, onions, and bell pepper. And I do season it. I do not like anything bland. These are my tenders. I just cut them up into cubes. I put some mustard on them. I put a little pickle juice. And I season them with all the seasons. And the shish kebab sticks, I got those from Dollar General for $1. Okay, now I got my grease getting hot. I dump my chicken up in there. As you can see, I could have put 4 in there, but I didn't want to overcrowd it. But anyway, cousins, it was so good. As you can see, crispy, crispy, crispy. And I made me a little sauce to go with it. So if you want to know how I made that sauce, let me know in the comments, and I'll let you know. But anyway, cousins, look at this meal for under $10. And it took under 10 minutes, and it didn't have your RV hot. So if you like these videos, cousin, make sure you let me know, and I can keep dropping these videos to save you money in your RV and to keep you cool in the summer. Bye, cousin.